Ballet Barre Grand Battements Devant à Seconde. Jacketti Ballet Grade 3 Syllabus Course Jacklyn Dougherty. All exercises at the bar start and finish with arms in fifth en basse. Grand Battements are in 3 counts, throw, tendu, close. The feeling is to throw upwards and the control down at 45 degrees is acceptable, and the emphasis is on the hip placement, not the height of the leg. Students should continue to use the materials. Face the front of the bar in fifth position with right foot front. On counts 1 to 3, introduction hold position. On counts 4 to 6, open arms through fifth en avant to second position. Counts 1 to 12, 4 grand battements devant. Count 1 to 2, 4 grand battements to à seconde, closing back, front, back, front. Right side. Left side. For more information, visit JacklynDougherty.com. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.